Aloha mai kako, Aaron Mahi here again for another Nahu'olelo Kamalama, the Hawaiian words of the month. Na mea hu'olelo ka Mauliola Hawaii, wonderful values that we find in our beautiful Hawaiian language and the words contained therein. Lokahi is our theme word, or our value that we're considering. And the last is I, i'o, this word which means true, genuine, significant, real, really, true worth. We have a very short sentence this week dealing with the ascending and the true worth of a certain chief. And so this phrase is used, ke ali'i, ke pi'i, i ka i'o. The chief is the one ascending to true significance. We hope you've enjoyed these words and the sharing with you. From all those and partners in Development Foundation, e ola ka olelo Hawaii, and aloha.